I downloaded this ship model from Polyhaven, thank you very much to these authors for making it, and now I want to give it a holographic effect to make it fit better with the rest of my scene. What I'm going to do is add a shader, transparent BSDF, and a shader, mixed shader. We're going to plug these in here and add in an input Fresnel as the factor. It's already looking quite good. Let's go ahead and lower that IOR to something like 1.2, and now it looks really quite good up in the sails. However, I'm very much not happy with what's going on here in the hull. It looks okay from this angle, but I really don't want it to occlude itself so much when I'm looking at it from this specific angle. What can we do? We can use a converter math node set to subtract and an input light path node with a transparent depth subtracting from it. And already look at this. If you're getting these black artifacts, that's probably because your transparent bounces aren't high enough. If you turn that up to something like 32, it should work perfectly for this purpose. And now look at that. Our hull is entirely see-through, no matter what angle we look at it from. The way this works is transparent depth returns a number that increments up every time a light ray hits a surface which is transparent. Because this returns a number between 0 and 1, anytime we hit anything that is transparent, everything behind it will always be transparent. This is really useful, say, if you're having a character look down at the important mission briefing hologram and you really want to see what they have to say. I hope you find this useful. Bye for now.